Our goal is to check the convergence and divergence of the following series: 2n plus 3 divided by 3n plus 2 to power n. Should we use ratio test or should we use the root test? For the ratio test, we had the following: the limit of the absolute value of an plus 1 divided by an as n goes to infinity. You end up with L, all right? And for the root test, you had the limit of the nth root of absolute value of an as n goes to infinity equals to L. But the cases, the scenarios, they were all the same. If L is less than 1, the series is convergent, both of these. If L is more than 1, or if it's infinity, then the series is divergent. And if L is equal to 1, it's inconclusive. It means that the test does not work for us here. So which method should we use here? Root test or ratio test? Since you have exponent n here, it's better to use the root test so you can get rid of the power n. So let us apply the root test. We find the limit of the nth root of, here you have, let's go back up, 2n plus 3 divided by, on the denominator we have 3n plus 2 to power n as n goes to infinity. It can be written as the limit of 2n plus 3 divided by 3n plus 2 to power 1 over n, and all is raised to power n. You can cancel out n divided by n. You're left with the limit of, or you could cancel these two out here, n as the root, n as the exponent, and you get this quantity back. You have the limit of 2n plus 3 divided by 3n plus 2 as n goes to infinity. You can apply L'Hopital's rule here. Why not? You get infinity over infinity, so you end up with 2 divided by 3. This is your L. L is less than 1, so based on the root test, since L is less than 1, the series is absolutely convergent, and it indeed is convergent. So based on the root test, since L is 2/3 and less than 1, so the series is absolutely convergent, and it is indeed a convergent series. So when you have series like this, you can apply root test. Sometimes you can apply ratio test, depends on what you have. But the ratio test is important, root test as well, because later on when you're working with power series, to find the radius of convergence and also the interval of convergence, it's very essential to work with these two tests.